Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, we will discuss Kotlin data types as a part of basic concepts. Let's take a quick overview of Kotlin data types. We know that Kotlin is a language which is designed to run on local JVM machines. And as a result, the language is designed to have data types which are more or less exactly same as that of data types in Java. And taking into this point into consideration, we have numeric data types and their unsigned counterparts. In numeric data types, in integer type of variables, we have byte data type, we have short, we have int, we have long data type. These are same as that of Java data type. We also have their unsigned counterparts, like for byte we have ubyte, for short we have ushort, for int we have uint, for long we have ulong. U stands for unsigned. It means that we will be able to store only positive values, 0 to positive range. In numeric we also have floating point data types, which are nothing but float and double. The next data type we have is Boolean data types. For Boolean, we have Boolean data type where we can store true or false, which is again similar to Java. We have characters data type as well. For that, we have char data type. Over here, this char data type again following the same Unicode character specifications. We have string types of data types in Kotlin. Strings are special. There are some speciality in Kotlin strings. So we have string template, which is one of the new thing that we have in Kotlin data types. And finally, we have array data types. Apart from this, there are some important facts about Kotlin data types. First important fact is Kotlin is statically typed language. It means that at compile time, compiler knows the data type of each and every variable. Second important point is in Kotlin, everything is an object. So even if there are some primitive data types which seems like same as that of primitive data types in Java, but these data types are considered as objects, classes and objects. On these objects, for example, byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, boolean, all these are treated as classes and objects, and on these objects either you can invoke some functions or you can access some property, and in that sense these are called as objects. So everything in Kotlin is treated as object. Another important part is there are some data types of Java which became classes in Kotlin, like int, long, byte, short, float, double, boolean, and char. But internally, these data types are represented as primitive values at runtime for performance optimization. This is a concept called related to boxing and unboxing that we will discuss in upcoming videos. Apart from this, there is another important point about data types and variables. In Kotlin, we can declare variable of two different types, majorly two different types, based on whether they can store null values or they cannot store null values. And hence we have two types of important variables. This is not available in Java directly. In Kotlin, we have non-nullable variables and nullable variables. Let's try to understand what is non-nullable variables. Non-nullable variables are those variables which cannot store null value at all. And this particular part will be checked at compile time itself. while compiler is compiling your program, at any point compiler finds that at this point the value can be null. In that case, compiler will generate the compile time error. So non-null variables cannot store null values at all. And what is the advantage of this? Advantage is these non-nullable variables cannot lead to null pointer exception. These cannot lead to null pointer exceptions at runtime because we know that there will be no null value for this variable. So second type of variable is nullable variable. Nullable are those variables which can store both null values as well as non-null values. So these variables can lead to null pointer exception, and hence these variables have to be used carefully by the developers. And to deal with that, Kotlin has provided us null safety features. So what is null safety? What are those null safety features? How exactly these null safety features are used? We are going to discuss in detail in upcoming videos. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.